What is up, guys? Welcome back. Okay, so today we are talking Pepe. And look, I know some of you roll your eyes every time someone brings up a meme coin. I get it. But hear me out, because the numbers on Pepe right now are actually hard to ignore. This thing is up over 26% in the last 30 days, while most altcoins are struggling. The community is exploding in size, and there's a piece of news from last month that almost nobody is talking about that could genuinely change the game for Pepe. So let's get into all of it. And real quick, nothing here is financial advice. Meme coins are some of the riskiest things you can touch in crypto. Always do your own research. Okay, let's go. So first, where is Pepe actually sitting right now? Today, Pepe is trading at about $0.000000414. The market cap is sitting around $1.74 billion, and daily trading volume is over $414 million. Volume actually jumped 48% just from yesterday, which tells you money is moving back into this thing. Now here's what's interesting. Pepe is up over 26% in the last 30 days. Compare that to ETH, which has been struggling to hold $2,300, and BTC, which has been fighting with the $82,000 resistance for days. Pepe has quietly been one of the better performing assets in the market this past month. For a meme coin that supposedly has no fundamentals, that's actually a pretty significant outperformance. And it's not just the last 30 days. Back in the first week of January 2026, Pepe exploded 70% in basically 1 week and led the entire meme coin sector, while almost everything else in crypto was still looking rough. That was Pepe announcing itself for 2026. Now here's where it gets really interesting. And this is the part I think a lot of people are missing. Canary Capital filed an S1 registration with the SEC in April for a spot Pepe ETF. Let that sink in. A company is literally asking the SEC to approve the first ever regulated meme coin ETF. That's never happened before. A few years ago, if you told someone a meme coin would have an ETF filing on its name, they'd laugh at you. Now is it going to get approved? Honestly, probably not immediately. The SEC is still pretty cautious. But here's my take. The fact that it was even filed tells you something important. It tells you that institutional money is starting to take Pepe seriously enough to even try. And if this thing ever does get approved down the road, the amount of new demand it would unlock is enormous. On top of that, unique holder addresses have jumped by about 37,000 just since mid-April, bringing the total to around 551,500 wallets. That kind of growth in holder numbers usually shows up before a big price move. It means people are quietly accumulating. Now let's talk about the chart and what to actually watch, because this is where it gets exciting. Pepe right now is coiling inside what analysts are calling a symmetrical triangle on the higher time frames. Basically, price has been tightening up, squeezing between support and resistance, building pressure. These patterns almost always break big in one direction. The question is which way. The key resistance to watch is $0.000042. If Pepe gets a confirmed daily close above that level with strong volume, analysts are pointing to $0.00000051 as the first target, and then $0.00000060 as the next zone after that. That would be roughly a 45% move from where we are right now. And here's the macro backdrop that makes this even more interesting. Meme coin market dominance is currently sitting near all-time lows, and historically, every single time dominance has been this low, what followed was a massive meme season. Back in early 2024, when it was at similar levels, Pepe went up 2,500%, Bonk went up 440%, Floki went up 1,000%. Now, I'm not saying those numbers are guaranteed this time, but the pattern is hard to ignore. The trigger for all of that? Bitcoin breaking out and holding strong above key levels. And right now, Bitcoin is fighting above $80,000. If BTC confirms that breakout and holds, history says meme coins, and Pepe especially, tend to go absolutely wild. Now let me give you my real honest take on Pepe, because I think balance matters here. Pepe has no roadmap, no development team, no utility. It's a frog from the internet. And I think it's important to say that out loud. Its price is almost entirely driven by community, hype, social media momentum, and market cycles. When sentiment turns, it can drop just as fast as it rises. Pepe is still about 85% below its all-time high from December 2024. So it's not like people who bought the top are having a great time, but here's the other side of that. The community around Pepe is genuinely one of the most passionate and active in all of crypto. Over 500,000 wallets now hold this thing. It has real liquidity, real trading volume, and now an ETF filing with the SEC. For a coin that started as a joke in April 2023, that's kind of wild. My honest opinion? Pepe is a high-risk, high-reward play in a